Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a DIY for the series of farmhouse style decor that I'm making for my house, and this is the first part because I'm waiting for some elements to arrive from China. I thought them from eBay, so I'm just going to show you the first part, and then I'm going to show you the second part when those items arrive. I'm making this farm fresh eggs shadow box. This is a shadow box I had. This idea, I saw something like this in a haul from Hobby Lobby. It was a larger frame, and it was different. It's just said farmhouse, but anyways, I thought I could do something like this with this shadow box that I already have. It has some minor scratches and is broken here, but I don't mind. I had this leftover, this chicken wire leftover. It was a little bit longer, but I cut it just with a regular scissor. And I thought, well, what if I do a version of that sign that I liked so much? So what I did was to adhere the chicken wire to the bottom of the frame with I use a combination of E6000 and glue gun, and then I added some rope on the back and I adhered the chicken wire. I had this moss, so I use it. The original version had something like raffia, something like that. I had this and I like this better, but you can use whatever you want to use. And then I used a little bit of foam that I had, and I cut it to the size of the frame. I printed the sign. What I found out is that it's much better to print the sign in some kind of transparency, or I don't know how you, vellum, that's the name, I couldn't find it. Okay, I forgot to bring it here. Just give me a second and I'll show you the sign I made before doing this one. Okay, I'm back. This is what I did. I used to print the images like this on the right direction, orientation, that's much better. And then I would go on the back with the pencil, you know, marking everything. So then I would turn it again to the front, and I would try to mark all the letters with a pencil. And I found out that it's much easier to print the image flipped horizontally. So let me see if I can, yeah, so you can see it in full. And then this is the front, so I just have to turn it over, and with a very sharp pencil or an old pen, you just go over. I just marked the borders because I was going to paint them in white, and applying a lot of pressure on the foam, I got enough of the image to then paint them, the letters, in white with a white marker. And this is the final result. So then what I have to do is to wait for fake eggs to arrive, because the original, bear with me, the original sign looks like this and has 2 or 3 eggs placed here, maybe 1 and 2 and another one here. Sorry for the glare, sorry. and that's what I'm waiting for. As soon as I have these eggs, I will place them here and I will show you how everything comes together and how this sign finally looks like. So bear with me and I'll be back a few days from now, but for you it's going to be a few seconds. Again, thanks for watching this part, and I'll see you in the second part. Well, I'm back, and guess what? The eggs have arrived. Here they are. They came 5 in a package, so here you have them. So I can finally finish this project that I've been longing to finish for a while. Okay. The eggs are, as I expected, I knew this already, too big for the frame, so they don't fit, you see? But they are so easy to mold that I just mold it, pressing with my fingers the back of each one, the 3 I needed, and then I can use them as I want to. Let me show you. It's really easy. You just press and you can flatten them as you need. So well, let's now try and see. Let me use this one. I'm going to flatten it a little bit more. I'm going to play with them and see how I like them. Let me see. It has to go a little bit up. I want this to go this way. I'm going to press. I think that's perfect. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to press a little bit more so then I can close the frame. Let me see if I can flatten them a little bit more. Bear with me. I tried, as you can see here, cutting them, but it's really hard. It's much easier to do this with your fingers till you get the desired size. This needs much more. So here we go. Let's see how does it look now. Yeah, I think I'll be able to close the frame. Okay, so I'm going to glue the eggs in position. I'm going to apply it here to have a reference. Here goes one. The second one. Kind of a little bit more twisted. And again a reference for the third one. Here we go. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks great. I really like it. So I'm going to adhere the frame to the background, and I'll be right back. Well, here I am. I tried with a glue gun, but it didn't really hold, and so I had to glue everything with E6000, and now I'm holding it with my hands because I just added the glue, the adhesive, so I'm going to put some weight on the frame and let it stand for, I think, 24 hours. But I wanted you to see more or less the final product, because I know there is a lot of glare, but I think you have the idea. Here I am, hi! And then I will show you where I placed it for you to see how I set this up. And I think I forgot to tell you in my first part that the background is just a piece of that foam board that you get at Dollar Tree. It comes in different colors. I bought the black one. I have it already. This is a leftover, but I always buy it from them. And I really like how it turned out, and I hope you like it too. Okay, this is it, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And hope to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.